So which funnel type did you get? I got the CSQF funnel for client services for my side hustle agency that I run. Whichever type you got, it's important that you double down and you learn how to actually build that type of funnel for your business, because it's going to get you cheaper leads at a higher velocity at a better close rate. We've been teaching people how to build quiz funnels just like this for years and years and years. We haven't hit the Inc. 5000 list so many times in a row because what we teach doesn't work. It works. So listen, here's the deal. We're doing a one-time only quiz funnel workshop. Tickets are limited. They're $25. We can't do it for free because it's basically going to be us giving away the farm on exactly what it's going to take for you to build this quiz funnel that you just found out about when you took this quiz. If you think about it, we're literally going to put you through the process that we did to build the exact quiz that you just took. We're going to teach you about the 3 types of quizzes. We're going to teach you about quiz hooks and building a good bridge. We're going to teach you about the right number of questions that you need to ask. Ryan is a champ when it comes to walking people through the science behind list segmentation and the right length of questions, the right number of questions. We're going to go through dozens and dozens of case studies in all different industries of why this works. So again, tickets are limited. Space is limited. Tickets are $25 for 3 hours of content. And the cool thing is we're going to give every dollar that comes through the door away to charity. So this is a good chance for you to not only do some good business, do some good in your business, but to do some good in the world too. I'll be there. I hope to see you there. See you on the flip side.